Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Amia. In this episode, we're going to look at cost management on AWS. AWS Budgets allows you to plan the costs or usage, and alert when actual costs or usage exceed the budget. You can also use AWS Budgets to set reservation utilization or coverage targets, and receive alerts when your utilization drops below the threshold. Reservation alerts are supported for EC2, RDS, Redshift, Elasticache, and Elasticsearch reservations. You can create monthly, quarterly, or yearly level budgets, and customize the start and end dates. You can further refine your budget to track costs associated with multiple dimensions, such as AWS services, linked accounts, and tags. Budget alerts can be sent via email or SNS topic. AWS Cost Explorer has an easy-to-use interface that lets you visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage over time. You can analyze usage data at a high level. For example, you can analyze total costs and usage across all accounts, identify trends, pinpoint cost drivers, and detect anomalies. Cost Explorer helps you visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage over a daily or monthly granularity. You can also access your data with further granularity by enabling hourly and resource level granularity. AWS Cost and Usage reports contain the most comprehensive cost and usage data, including metadata about AWS services, pricing, and capacity reservations. Cost and Usage reports list the usage for each service category used by an AWS account and its IAM users and hourly or daily line items, as well as any tags that you have activated for cost allocation purposes. AWS delivers the cost and usage reports in CSV format to an S3 bucket and updates the reports at least once per day. You can download the reports using the S3 console or S3 APIs. You can further integrate cost and usage reports with AWS Analytics Services to get cost and usage insights. You can integrate cost and usage reports with Amazon Athena. Once Athena integration has been enabled for your cost and usage reports, data will be delivered in compressed Apache Parquet format to an S3 bucket. Cost and usage reports can also be ingested directly into Amazon Redshift or uploaded to the Amazon Quick site. AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Cost and Usage reports are effective cost management services to help you control, manage, and optimize cost and usage. However, these fine-grained cost management tools may incur small costs. For example, your first 2 AWS budgets are free, and each subsequent budget will incur a 2 cents daily cost. You can access the Cost Explorer API. Each request may incur a cost of 1 cent. Cost and usage reports may incur costs of S3 or other AWS services. Let's compare AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Cost and Usage reports with AWS Bills. By default, you have access to the AWS Billing Dashboard and Bills. AWS Bills gives you general billing data, such as information of service, usage type, operation, and description. It gives you a simple dashboard and delivers monthly billing reports in PDF and CSV format. It's free to use AWS Bills for simple monthly reports. You can use Cost Explorer if you want to get more detail of what comprise the cost, such as user-defined tags, regions, AZs. You can visualize and analyze cost and usage and identify trends using Cost Explorer. Cost Explorer gives you monthly or daily granularities. You can even get hourly cost information. You can access Cost Explorer through Cost Explorer Console UI, download CSV, or access via Cost Explorer API. You can use cost and usage reports to get even more granular and detailed information about your AWS usage. The report is delivered to an S3 bucket, which can be easily ingested into other AWS data analytics services for further analysis. In this episode, we've learned AWS cost management services that can help track usage and optimize costs. AWS Budgets allows you to plan the cost and usage, and alert you when the actual cost exceeds the budget. AWS Cost Explorer lets you visualize and understand costs, and identify usage trends over time. AWS Cost and Usage reports generates the most granular reports in CSV format, and sends them to an S3 bucket. Okay, that's all for AWS Cost Management. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.